I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya, complicate ya. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.
Okay, for some reason my camera cut off. I got it up. I got the canvas off of it. It's very easy to do. Just have to take time to do it. Okay. The part y'all didn't catch, I got wasp around. Some people call it waspers. I call it a wasp. Okay. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't like them. Don't care for them. Okay. Let me grab you up, and I've got you on the stand, and let's show you how this camper looks. Okay. Sorry about the wind. You see, like I said, I got a lot of cleaning to do on the inside, sweeping and all that stuff. But there's your sink. You got a furnace down there, refrigerator right there, and there's your stove to cook, and you got the door hanging right here. Okay, and then here's the AC unit, and back over in that corner right there, you got like one of them smart fans. But yeah, I got a lot of cleaning. Also, I'm gonna be doing some painting. This piece that you see up here, the wood part, I'm primering it and then painting it white, which you really don't ever see it. But Richard, the owner, he wants to be protected, double protection on it. So yeah, I'll be doing that today too. All right, well, I'm gonna cut it off here, get some things done, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, thanks for watching. Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm inside the pop-up camper. I gotta get me a I call it an edger. Anything that you can use as an edger when you're painting, you know, that you can prop up against the wood and spray it that way it don't get everywhere. The paint that I'm using is a primer, and the other is Rust-Oleum primer, and then a white paint, not a gloss, just flat. That's what I'll be putting inside. Really don't have to paint the wood, but like I said, Richard wants it to look good, even under, you know, in and out, you know, places you don't see. Okay, and I was like, okay, you know, he is the boss, so they get what they want, you know, and that's what I'm doing. I took down the tarp down there. I've got it, tarp with some canvas, excuse me. Let me move this around. I got the canvas down there drying out. I got to wait till Richard gets back to take 2 wires off, because I told him I didn't want to mess it up. You know, I didn't want to be responsible for it, so he's going to mess with that. Then it goes to me painting these sides here, and getting some cleaner and washing the roof off real good, you know, as far as sealing inside here. Cleaning that, cleaning the lights, you know, greasing up everything that needs to be greased up, clean the sink, make sure there's nothing in the furnace, you know, and make sure the mattress is all cleaned and all that stuff, and everything's wiped down, picked up, you know, your basic things that you got to do. But like I said, I'm doing this because he's asked me to do it, and plus he's wanting to sell it. So, you know, no matter if he wasn't selling, this part that I'm showing you right now still had to be done, no matter what. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking me a break. It is super hot out here. I mean, my Lord, and you notice I'm up under the shade in the camper here. I mean, that sun is beating down, so that canvas shouldn't take long to dry. It's just this other canvas is going to take me a little bit, because I've got to wait on Richard to get back for doing what he has to do. But yeah, after I get done with this shoot, it's going to look kind of nice. You know, I think it's going to look better than what it does right now. You know, it's going to be clean. You know, and then on the way, I'll still do videos. You know, because this is a little content on how to clean your pop-up camper. How about that? There's the title: How to Clean Your Pop-Up Camper. There it is. I think that's the title, How to Clean Your Pop-Up Camper. Yeah. See? Good things come to those who wait. Ding. No. But hey, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you. I'm just old country boy. You know, if I can make you laugh, me doing something stupid on camera, make you laugh, then I've done my job, because I look at it this way: laughter is the best medicine. And as long as you're laughing, you can't be mad at the world, sure. Now, in no way, form, shape am I saying I'm a comedian. No. I'm art. GhostWolfArt. I'll be me until the day I die. Sure do. But, yeah, I do want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to my regular subscribers that's been here for a while. I appreciate every single one of you. But I'm going to jump off here. I got to get me something cold to drink. Man, it is... bad. Alright, I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit on how to clean your pop-up camper. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm back. Wind has picked up a little bit more. I'm still looking for the piece where I can taper it off. I haven't found nothing yet. And let me show you, let me turn you around here. I got you on my tripod. And let me see if I can take my glasses off, and let's see if I can adjust it upward. Okay, so y'all can see what I'm talking about instead of me just saying it. You see this brown right here? Okay, I gotta have something that'll taper it off. I don't have tape, so I'm gonna have to use cardboard or something. I'm gonna have to find it where I can put it right there, so I can spray all this with primer and then spray it white. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, hold on, let me get back in focus here. You know, a cameraman's job is never done. You know, never done. Well, I'm gonna jump. I still gotta keep looking, gotta keep going, gotta get this job up and over with. And this is, like I said, this is one way to keep your pop-up camper clean. You know, it's gonna take you a little time to tear it down, but you get every groove, every little a wasp, sorry about that, but you're getting every groove, and you're cleaning it and getting it ready to go for camping or anything like that. All right, so let me get back at it. Got a lot to do, a lot more content coming. All right, y'all. Okay, I'm back, and this is what I'm using as the primer. It's the primer sealer. Yeah, it's good. So let me get started with it. Yeah, you got to shake these things real good. You got to shake your love. Okay. Now, I didn't have a straight edge, and the next thing I can use is a piece of cardboard. So let's go with it, because I need to get her done. Whoa, I need to get her done. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. Hold on for a minute. You always got to do this, and this is one thing I did not do before. There we go. I would suggest you doing this if you don't have a cover that goes back over this, okay? I wouldn't suggest you do it. I suggest you tape it off and mark it off and then paint it. Do not do this if you don't have a cover that goes over it, which I have a cover. Hold on, that's out of camera shot. And like I said, this right here will be covering up that wood. You'll never see it, but he wants it to be sealed. So That's, I try to give what people want, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just putting primer down. And like I said, nobody ain't gonna see this up here. This is not gonna be seen, not unless you take it apart. You buy it, you take it apart to see it. That's the only way anybody gonna see it, right? Da, 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 da.